Hello everybody, yes, so back here at Danum Blades, not in the workshop or in the garden this time. I'm now sat on the side of a field, hopefully waiting for some pigeons to turn up. The reason I'm here, I've come up to the Mulgrave estate to meet up with my mate Steve, because I've been making for him, a couple of knives. So we've got a couple of demos, you've probably seen them on the Instagram page or whatever, Facebook page, but a couple of variations on my Roe Stalker. So this one here is going to be called the Mulgrave. Basically what we've done is we've raised up the back of the blade here, so we've got a bit of a hump, makes it so you've got a bit more to hold on to. We've also taken down the point, so it may be a little bit of a spear point, so you can just see hump here and then a definite angle going down slightly. Not a great deal of change to it, but it's just a bit of a variation on the Roe Stalker. So this one I made up in a kydex sheath for him. This one's going to be tested out. Going to get the few stalking clients to have a go with it. A few other people to have a play about with that one. So that's one of them done. And the other one that I've got sorted. Oops, sorry Murph, I'm out with my mate Murph here. And again, similar variation. Same thing sort of happened to the point, but we've put the hump a little bit further forward and slightly higher, I think, as well. So definitely plenty of blade to hold on to, so when you're holding the blade, finger on the point, you've got something to hold on to when you're cutting deer open, basically. So that's going to be, Steve's going to be playing about with that one. So like I say, both of them I've done with a kydex sheath. But for this one I've also made a leather sheath as well to go with it, so a slight difference to what I usually do. So instead of stitching just around the edge, because the way that the hump comes out on the blade, what I've done is I've angled it off slightly and then stitched it on the front of the blade as well. So if I show you how that goes on, take the cap off, sheath in, knife in the sheath, cap on, there we go. Another variation that I might do is just raising up the actual sheath itself to cover a bit more of the handle. However, the advantage for this one is that there's more of the handle to hold on to when you're pulling and taking it out. Something I've done slightly different to what I usually do is by putting the cover over the top of it. So there we go. Belt loop on the back. Again, I can do plenty of different leather work, so it's just a case of all variations on a theme. So anyway, like I say, Steve's going to be taking this one, having a play about with it. The other one is going to be passing on to a few clients, a few other people, deer managers and what have you, to have a play about with and see what they think of them. So that's the idea of those. Like I say, he's kindly invited me to have a go pigeon shooting. So we're still, it's about coming up to midday, so it's a bit quiet at the minute. We've just set up. Plenty of field fares and a few starlings flying about, but hopefully we should be able to get something coming in. It's not that often that you get to go pigeon shooting and then be able to look across to the North Sea as well. Good lad, stay there. Sit up. Up. Bloody hell, that surprised me. I'm not surprised it started to be a fucking Solway. Shut up. Oi. Stop. Oh. Good lad, stay there. Coming in, mate, let's not worry him. Well, that's Steve back for us. I've had a decent day, I think I've got 20 oddish. It's not too bad for me. He's just picked one up down there for us. I think I got another one at hedge and a couple more out here to pick, but yeah, not a bad day at all.